These are the remains of an aquatic animal on Mars, very much like a turtle. It has right side, left side, both symmetrical. It's armoured, towering over a dried up pan. Head, legs, tails, internals, all disintegrated. It's nothing more than rubble. All the soft tissue gone. It was armoured and had a fondness for water. That's no longer there. It's not in good shape, but the shape is what gives it away. How many would you expect to find in this photo? Well, there's 8 of them. In this tiny little area, there is 8 turtles. All these rocks are exactly the same shape, only different in size, because they are the same species. In the background, in the foreground, 2 very old ones at the bottom corners. Most are facing the same direction. Very interesting. Why? Did they know they were going to expire and had to face east or something? Could be interesting. Even though there are many turtles all expired in this one area, they didn't all die at the same time. Some of them could be years earlier. They're half covered in mud in the bottom of a pond. Some are weathered and they're brighter shade of colour, fallen over. The same shape, it reveals their identity. All are in poor condition. Only the armour resists the ravages of time. The soft tissue is all gone, disintegrated. Heads are nothing more than a bit of stones and rubble there. The creatures, they carved out these channels. As the water level dropped, the soft mud yielded to their determination to move through what's left of their rapidly diminishing water resource. Their homes were gone. Finally, the waters completely disappeared, the soft mud hardened to rock, and the animal surface bound. There could be some flippers underneath there, but how are we going to know with these photos? Its solid flanks, armoured like, very out of place, same shape, except this guy who's upside down, likely a flat one. Was it eaten, scavenged, and tossed around when exposed by the lack of water? Well, you'd need a time machine for that. It's interesting that we have close to the same type of animals. Earth, turtles, Mars, something that, they really look like them. These are petrified animals. They were live creatures that lived in this area. They crawled to the spots where they lie in. Very different to the rocks they sit on. They didn't roll down the hill or anything. They carved in these beautiful little channels here, through the soft mud. It's all now stone. It's obvious all armour is protection from predators, and it helped with the identification and the preservation. Without it, we'd never even notice. It's all that remains, is their towering armour. Thanks for the viewership, and be well.